Now, I think it looks super cool. Well guys, this is called ambient lighting. And to be honest with you, I like it. Originally, I was gonna go above and beyond and make my own kit out of like LEDs and all these drivers and all that. But then I decided that's a lot of work. So I went on Amazon and I started looking through all their kits. And of course, I was a little skeptical. But then I decided, let me order a few, look at them and see what happens. Well, I got really lucky because some showed up and right away I was like, nope, nope. And then I ran into this one and I'm like, this one could have some potential. And it did. So we're gonna show you how to install this, but I have to give you a heads up. If you have not seen my video where I installed a Honda S2000 push start button, to me, I think that's gonna be really important because essentially you're gonna have to get some type of power source in the area of the little compartment where your arm rests. So in my video with the S2000 push start button, I relocated the cigarette lighter in that area. And that allowed me to easily install this kit. And I was thinking you could actually splice into your original cigarette lighter. Of course, you want to do it safely, use the appropriate wires and fuses and all that, and make an extension so you could plug in a USB port where your armrest is at. But if you just want to be nerdy and check out the install, go ahead and let's dive right in. So this is how it works. So essentially, if you look over here, this is flat, and of course this little area right here, it's a hollow plastic tube, and essentially that's where the light transmits. So the neat thing about this is that this is designed so you could stuff it somewhere in your trim and you can make it look like this. Now I'm going to tell you how I did mine in case you want to do yours the same way. All right, first off, you don't see anything, right? Now if you look closely in here, you can see green wire. That wire is one of the power wires to this little light tube, and essentially they give you this little tool, and what I did is I kind of smashed it in there and I put it all the way down, and then I simply just started navigating it through this trim part. Now this trim part to the carpet, it's a tight clearance, which is perfect for this. And what I also did over here is I just put a little bit of 3M tape so it could just stay there and it doesn't move. I then routed it underneath this area here, routed it behind a cable just to make sure that it's out of the passenger's feet and it's not going to get caught. And then I ran it through this side over here. Now the really neat thing about this is that they really thought this out. When you get to the point where you don't need any more length or any more of the light, you could simply just cut it, and then you remove this black cap here, and you cut another, I would say about 1/4 of an inch of this little flat area, and then you cap it so it should look just like this. And with the NSX, what I did is I used a trim tool and I lightly pried this up and I slid the end point underneath here and closed it up. So I was originally going to show like both sides done, but I accidentally caught the wire on something and cut it. So yeah, I was like, you know what, I'm still going to post this video instead of waiting for the new kit because you guys will get the idea. But real quickly, the left side, it doesn't have like that tight tolerance between the carpet and that center console trim area. So you just got to get creative. I was going to use some tape or even like a little clips, but anyways, just be creative. So I'm going to put the link to the kit, and it's going to be an Amazon affiliate link, which means I get a little bit of the kickback from Amazon if you buy this. But I think this is perfect. There's a lot of kits, and I think that the way that this one's designed, I think it really works out. And at the end of the day, I think it gives the car a pretty cool look. Well guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Take care, and we will see you soon.